loves, welcome back to another video. So I don't know if you remember my tripod video from, I don't know, a few weeks ago. I have another one. Ding. But this one is slightly different, so I'm excited to unbox it. It does have that 360 rotation though, but it is much longer as far as the stand part, so I'm very excited to unbox this with you guys. So packaging, straight to the point, which I love, but I haven't opened it yet. I'm opening it with you guys. Okay, here is the manual. 62-inch tripod. Okay, and let's see, it has a quick start type of thing right here, and you know I'm a picture person, so this will work out really well. It's actually pretty long in size, 62 inches, so that's good. I feel like that's a little bit above my height. And yeah, let's see if we can put this together without the manual. You know how I am, I don't really like the manual. But lately I have needed to use it a couple times on different things. So this just shows what all of these pieces are. So let's go over all these pieces really quick. So we have a Bluetooth remote, that's right here. We have a GoPro attachment, that is right here. We have a tripod stand. We have a phone holder, that's this right here. And lastly is just the user manual. Okay, so let's see if we can put it together. Or also if you just want to store it out of the way but you don't want it to get messed up, you could also put it in the bag. So I feel as though well, let's see. Let's take everything out first. Besides the remote. The remote we don't need to take out. Well, the remote, let's just put the remote where it belongs. How about that? Put the remote. Oh! It has directions here too, which is really nice. And I like that it's blue. Stands out. Things that I kind of have an idea of how they go. I have a vague idea to how they go. Okay. Alright, so we got that part. Okay, so we got this part, and then this part from here, you just pull all the way up. I don't know, it said 62 inches. Is this, oh, hold on, there's a couple more levels here. Ah, that's cool. It's like telescopic. You guys like that big word? Telescopic. Yay! Alright. So I'm gonna push it down just a little bit so we can put the rest of the attachment on here. Okay. So I have a bigger phone because I have the Pro, so I'm gonna need to go like all the way over here. And it says lock or unlock right there. And then we're just gonna go ahead and put it on this part. So most tripods have, well not most, but the one that I used has like a thing that you bend, but this one has like a little ball here. This controls the ball and you can move it whichever way. So if you wanted to do portrait, you could do this, or if you want to do landscape, you could do this. So let's do a little bit of both. I'm gonna get my phone and we'll record something, and then I'll show you how it looks on both, because it's fun. So I have the Pro Max 14, no, 12 Pro Max, 14. Hold on, let me look. I'm just gonna look right now real quick. I have the 14 Pro Max, just so you see it does fit this as well. So you can use this for content creation, or you could use this for selfies or for traveling if you don't want to carry anything. You saw how small it got. You put that in the purse, and then when you get to the destination that you're going to travel, you just pull it out. So Did not come out right. But anyway, so I'm just gonna do a video so you can kind of see how it looks. And you'll see the quality of an iPhone Pro 14 Pro Max versus the Canon, which is night and day. Like, my Canon is very chunky, but the video quality comes out a lot better than the phone quality. The phone quality is very pixelated. But anyway. Hi, testing. 1, 2, 3, testing. And then if we go here, you can do it landscape. Can you guys see? Let me bring it down. There we go. Well, hold on. You can't really see my face. There we go. Testing. 1, 2, 3, testing. So there, you get to see how it works. Oh, and then all the way, let's see. Oh, I was right. It's my height. It's literally my height. I'm 5'2". So the phone is 5'2". So if you wanted it to be like higher, if you're doing standing stuff, you could probably, like, you know, set it up on something. That would be cool. But this is nice. I really do love this. And then if you just want to do vlogging, like, hey, I'm vlogging, woo woo. That's my gym area and my spa area over there. But selfie, see. What else can we do with this? Oh, if you wanted to do like a group shot, hold on. Like, you know those, like, how do they call it, the panorama ones? You go like this, like here, like that. See, you do that. This is awesome. I love it already. I like how durable it is, and I do like that it's a longer stand. That I can really appreciate. So yeah. So I mean, I really like this. I think this is a lot better than the tripod that I do have. Actually, substantially better. So not the one that I did recently. I have like an older one that I use a lot. So I'll be using this quite often now with my reels and maybe some of my vlogs. If you guys want to see vlogs, let me know. Comment down below. But yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And until my next video, you guys, besos.